Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Yazon 20 pieces 2.8 inch leather hair clips for babies and I would say adults as well. There are 20 in here. So most of them have a mate. So there's usually 2 of each in here. I don't know which color exactly is missing, but you see how there's 2 yellows, 2 pinks, 2 blues, there's a turquoise, two different subjects. So I think maybe that might be the one difference in them. I ordered these and I haven't opened the package yet, but I have tried other clips that are similar to these. So I'm going to open these up. So this one is a nice silver. It's got a little clip on it, 2.8 inches. It's made out of leather, which is really nice. And they just add a little something to your hair. It's a little fun little accessory. And I'm just going to demonstrate on this t-shirt. There's about 4 layers here that you can put it through, hook it on, and like I said, there's silver. There is I don't know if that's a gold or a bronze. This one looks more like a gray. There's a yellow. There is a white. They're also kind of pearlescent. This is a steely gray. This is kind of like a silvery white. I think this is the same color too. No, slightly different. Pink. Turquoise. There it is. This is I thought it was a burgundy, but it's actually more of a mauvey pink. This is another turquoise. Another yellow one. So like I said, it comes with 20 pieces. This is a light pink. This is kind of a baby pink. It's a little lighter than that one. That one's more purpley. Another light blue one. Another pink one, which I think matches this one. No, actually, those two match. I'm not really sure. This one is that mauvey pink. Another silvery white. And a blue one. And they all come with these cute little alligator clips where you can clip it onto your hair, put in a ponytail, clip one of these in. It's kind of cute. You can put your hair up on both sides and put these bows in. I don't think you're really ever too old for bows. Bows are super fun, on trend right now. I definitely would put in some silver ones if I was going out. Actually, is that silver or white silver? I'm not sure. And this is that gunmetal color. But if you see, this is like 4 layers of t-shirt. Holds the hair perfectly fine. Doesn't come off. I kind of have to, you can't even really yank it out. You have to use the clip for that. So the Yazon 20 pieces 2.8 leather boat hair clips. A mix of colors. Like I said, there's 20, so there isn't a match for one of them, but I can't figure out which one doesn't have a match. I would definitely check them out, but But once again, you don't have to take my word for it. You can try them yourself and have a little fun with your hair. Because what is hair for? Hair good for? It's good for having lots and lots of fun. Hair isn't made for having fun. I don't know what is fun. So check these out. Thanks for watching.